Automating your welding process doesn't need to be difficult. The Orbimax Cobot by Hyobotics transforms welding from a challenge to an enabler by connecting the smart and simple, letting you program any weld in minutes. A welding cobot can be set up in your workshop in under 2 hours, with no need for an expensive safety cell or large investments in infrastructure, unlike a conventional robot. Being collaborative, a cobot is designed to work alongside your existing staff with minimal training. Programming the cobot is done from an app on a smartphone or a tablet. From here, you simply create a new part and enter the part details and weld parameters. Welding parameters can be selected from an existing library or customized by specifying wire speed, voltage, material thickness, and travel speeds. Once this is completed, the app activates the cobot arm, ready for positioning. The default weld type is set to linear. However, radial, stitch, and rotary welds can also be selected from a drop-down menu. The operator positions the robot arm to the start and end point of the weld, simply clicking a button to store each weld location. Once weld set points have been entered, we can switch the welding arc off, ready to start a dry run. This gives you confidence in the weld journey and lets you adjust any parameters or presets with ease. We're done. The weld process begins, letting you realize the implementation gains immediately. Within minutes, you will see your output and overall production increase. Repetitive tasks are completed efficiently and safely to the highest quality standards, while giving you the flexibility to change quickly between multiple parts. A playlist can be easily set up, allowing you to switch between multiple programs for the same part. Discover the proven technology of the Orbimax Cobot welder and arrange a free demonstration today. Weld smarter with Orbimax.